Днешния урок по бизнес английски ще се запознаем с това как да провеждаме успешно телефонни разговори на английски език. Beginning a conversation. Ето някои от най-популярните фрази, с които можете да започнете разговора. Can I speak to Max? Can I talk to Max? Мога ли да говоря с Макс? I would like to speak to Max. Бих искал да говоря с Макс. Is Max there? Там ли е Макс? Is Max available? На разположение ли е Макс? Answering a call. Speaking. This is Max speaking. It is Max here. Макс е на телефона. Когато се налага да помолим обаждащия се да изчака. Please hold on. Моля, изчакайте. Sorry to keep you waiting. Съжалявам, че ви карам да чакате. Sorry to keep you waiting so long. Could you hold on a little longer? Бихте ли изчакали още малко? Would you like to hold on? Or do you mind holding? Когато прехвърляте разговора, се използват някои от следните фрази. I will transfer you. Please hold while I put you through to Max. I will try the number for you. I'm afraid there is no reply from the department. Опасявам се, че няма отговор от отдела. Когато се налага да позвъним обратно, се използват някои от следните фрази. Are you busy? Are you free to talk? Have you got 2 minutes? I am in a meeting. I will call you back. Среща съм, ще ти позвъня обратно. I am not at my desk. Would you like to call me back later? Би ли могъл да ми позвъниш по-късно? Can I call you back in 15 minutes? Мога ли да ти позвъня обратно след 15 минути? I will send you a message when I get back. Ще ти изпратя съобщение, когато се прибера. Leaving a message. Would you like to leave a message? Бихте ли оставили съобщение? Can I take a message? Мога ли да запиша съобщение? Leave a message on my voicemail. Оставете съобщение на гласовата ми поща. I will pass on the message. Ще предам съобщението. Sorry, I can't take your call at the moment, but leave a message and I will get back to you. Съжалявам, в момента не мога да приема вашето обаждане, но оставете съобщение и аз ще се свържа с вас. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Ще се свържа с теб веднага, щом мога. Когато връзката не е добра. This is a very bad line. You are breaking up. The reception is very bad. I'm having problems with your phone system. I was cut off earlier. Sorry, could you repeat that? Could you say that again? Когато искаме информация. Did you get my email? I wanted to run through some of the arrangements for Wednesday. The figures you need are. Цифрите, от които се нуждаете са. How long do you think it will take to find the information? Колко дълго смяташ, че ще отнеме, за да намериш информацията? I would like to ask you a question. I wanted to know about. I'm afraid I cannot find the information you need. I was just ringing to check. И как да приключим един разговор. Speak to you soon. Bye for now. Thanks for calling. I think we have covered everything. I will wait to hear from you. I will check the details and call you back. Is that all? И сега нека направим няколко упражнения. Упражнение 1. Complete the sentences using the verbs press, try, call, hear, leave, keep, want, say, hold, hang, yet. Would you like to leave a message? I can't hear you very well. Please speak up. Could you? Hold on, please. It won't take long. Sorry to keep you waiting. Can I call you later? If you want to place an order, press the star key. I will get someone to call you later. He didn't say when he would be back. Please don't hang up. I'll try the number again. Exercise 2. Complete the sentences with the preposition. I am trying to connect you. Could you hold on? When are you going on holiday? I am calling about the order I placed last week. Could you pass on a message for me? I will write you in 2 weeks' time. Tom is on parental leave. Exercise 3. Put the dialogue in the right order. First, can I speak to Tom, please? Speaking. Hi, Tom. Did you get my message? Yes, I did. You'd like me to send directions to the office? Yes, that's right. Could you send them today? Of course. I'll do it now. Thanks, Tom. See you soon. Thank you for watching.